Yo, what's up? It's your boy, Coconut. Can you believe it? I'm on vacation, and not just any vacation, a hotel vacation. Mom's taking me on a road trip. A whole new world outside my backyard. This place is amazing, so many new smells.
His heart's beating so fast. He's worried about us. Why are you running away from me? Right? I'm playing with you, Coconut. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do it again, okay?
Mom is the best human ever. She takes me everywhere with her and she always lets me lick her face. Shh, don't tell Mom, but I think I found a new bed. I could sleep here forever. A monster is touching my paws. What is that? Nani?
That's a big one. Yeah.
Waiting for sunset with Mom at Sunset Beach. Wow, this is so beautiful. We got a nice photo. Well, folks, that's a wrap on my first big adventure. I'm pooped, but happy. Thanks for coming along on my journey. Until next time.